and for
Fadil Twala nubwahirize kutwaranwa nk'omuhandiiki mukuru w'ekibiina kya Patriotic League of Uganda arikuza omu bigyere ebya Daud Kabanda nagira ngu amaani goona PLU eyorekyerire kugata omu kurwanisa oburu bw'enguzi.
But the only thing is we want to get rid of corruption in our country. You see, corruption in our country has affected service delivery at least 80%. So we are tired of the technical team who lies government, who steal our money.
Tweja head office tanga na secretary general kandi kukumanya PLU sazili niyo almost ikuridinga mu Uganda. Twine ba ministers from PLU, twine ba MP from PLU, so twizira hano koranti kiegegwa mutnywana head office habukulobingira abantu bategegwa no koranti ne bamanya muhozi Kainerugaba ukinisa president ne batwatero kurwanisa oburu bw'enguzi mu Kyegwa district.
Bintu kibi tu expecting mu kino twetaga obukulembeze obuli mwine empisa twagala abakulembeze abaddako abalwanyisa corruption mu ggwanga mu next government eddako, so twagala tukole bulungi tujye abakulembeze ab'empisa abatali babbi.
Abamutayayire kuruga Kyegegwa bagenzire biine emotoka eyibahugire ebishani bya General Muhoozi Kainerugaba kandi banjwire ekiteekateeko kyabo ky'okwombeka office za PLU ahitaka eryabahirweho council ya Kyegegwa Town Council.
I thank you very much, the people of Kyegegwa, for giving PLU a home, for giving General Muhoozi Kainerugaba a home. I'm very certain that once that home is complete, we'll also find time and pass by to make sure that the office is fully.
When I saw the whole work plan of an office, I felt so happy. I want to thank Swaibu and those who donated the land for the office of Patriotic League of Uganda. I am going to consult with our chairman and I will give a feedback through Basaliza and the entire team we have here.
District ya Kyegegwa ni ebire district ya kabiri kuvugana Fadil Twala okwihatoranwa nk'omuhandiiki wa PLU.
We need to be represented in ISO, we need to be represented in ESO, we need to be represented in all government agencies. We are here suffering. So we have 150 graduates in one sub-county, but those that have employment are just 28. Where are the rest? What are they going to do?
Let these Kadogos be employed somewhere. Pick the Kadogos who are capable to be deployed somewhere. You ask them on what to do, they bring results.
Land is a big challenge. Right, Honorable General Secretary, you can't believe how God does wonders. When I joined the 12th Parliament, I came to the Parliament with a big challenge in the area of land. I think you've seen tears dropping in this same place because of the land issues.
Fadil Twala ayongire yabashaba kuhagira no kurondera obushagiki abakwatsire bendera ya NRM mu Karuru akabakuru b'entebe zo kubanza.
But then let's support flag bearers of NRM because President Museveni is our founding father and NRM are our mentors.
Gasha kwa Philip Marangira.